iRidium Server is an app that is additionally added to a project created in i3 Lite. It provides work of schedules and routines 24/7. Unlike a panel where i3 Lite app can be minimized and thus work of schedules and routines is stopped, a server can't be minimized. It is always in the net and on. Remote control of equipment. Thanks to iRidium Cloud Gate, a panel can connect to the server via the Internet using a secure channel without port forwarding, storing data and displaying them as a trend. i3 Lite can save values of some sub-devices in the database on the server and display them as trends on a panel. Dividing connection load. For example, equipment supports only one connection, and only the server is connected to it, and the number of panels that are connected to the server is not limited. Push notifications. Thanks to the server, push notifications can be sent to a panel when some event happens. There are two levels of push notifications: information and emergency. Connection of voice assistants. It's the server that connects via iRidium Cloud to the clouds of voice assistants and provides voice control. As iRidium Server is an app, it can be installed on a PC with Windows, Raspbian and Linux. It can be downloaded from the download section of our website. You can also buy hardware controllers with installed iRidium Server Lite. One of these controllers is iRidium Server UMC. It has TP1 physical interface to control KNX equipment, an interface to control HDL and Modbus equipment, and RS485 interface. Two more modules from the list on the screen can be added to the server. Thus, the server is turned into a universal gate. iRidium Server API and iRidium Server NUC are also available. They have different workload and can be used in projects of different scale. The controllers can be bought in My Account of our website. Any server is connected and set in i3 Lite app. No web interface or a separate page is required for it.